Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on the application of Tinder. We go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Tinder and you can click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again.